Hi, and welcome to Vegans Taste Better.
I'm Lewis.
Oh God.
I'm Lewis.
I'm Mandy.
And today we are trying cream cheese and butter.
So,
Two great tastes that taste great together.
Two of our products are Miyoko's, which is a newish product, I believe.
Now being carried by Trader Joe's.
Yeah, and finally affordable.
Also, Trader Joe's vegan cream cheese. So we're going to compare.
And this is Trader Joe's brand.
Yeah.
Which I didn't realize until just now.
So anyways, we're going to compare the Miyoko's lox flavored or unlox cream cheese and the Trader Joe's plain cream cheese.
Try it by itself first. Do you want to share mine?
Alright, I will have a blob of yours. So this is the plain Trader Joe's vegan cream cheese, which seems to be melting in my fingers as we speak.
I'd say it's good. It's a decent cream cheese.
It doesn't have strong flavor.
Yeah. But it definitely has a cream cheese flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna try it on the bagel.
The main ingredients are filtered water and coconut oil. Alright, I'm trying it on bagel, an ethnic bread.
Ooh.
Fancy.
I think it's really good.
Mm-hmm.
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5? And do you think the Tofuti or Tofuti brand is better? I think the Tofuti is slightly better on flavor.
Yeah, I think it's slightly better, but it's also just
garbage.
It is garbage, but it's really good tasting.
Organic garbage.
They did recently unhydrogenate though. Not recently. It seems like recently because Tofuti was the original, the OG cream cheese.
Okay, this is Miyoko's phenomenally vegan. Main ingredient is cashews on this one.
That's a bonus, not processed.
This one has seaweed in it. So this is the unlox flavor cream cheese. They didn't have the plain, I don't.
This actually kind of tastes like salmon.
It tastes like lemon.
Freaking me out. It's good.
It tastes lemon in it. Okay.
Good. Good on the bagel.
Good on ya.
I think this one's really good. I feel like I could actually just eat this whole tub of cream cheese right now.
I feel like you would do that.
I feel like I've done stuff like that before.
Yeah, it's very tart. It has much stronger flavor.
It does have a salmon-y flavor.
I don't even notice the
maybe it's just like a
fishiness
smoky flavor. Is it smoky?
To me, it has like a lemony flavor. It's not. I think you could actually use this cream cheese in like a dessert. I don't think it has a very strong smoky or fishy flavor. I think it could be.
You're psychotic.
It is
It just tastes sour.
It's totally savory.
Like sour cheese.
No, it's savory.
It's your imagination.
I guess so.
It's the power of your imagination.
But I'm imagining it tastes really good.
It does.
Alright.
That part is real. Okay, now for just plain sticks of butter.
Yes. Actually, when I was a kid, I used to eat butter. Like,
Never mind.
I'd take bites of butter.
I thought it was sticks, but it is actually
And
one solid block
this
of butter.
is cultured vegan butter.
Can you smell it?
It says cashew cream fermented with live cultures.
Oh. So, we're just going to take big bites out of this. She did. You're nasty.
It's pretty good. That's really good, actually. I like it.
I think we should get
It's butter. Of course it's oily.
Yeah, I guess so.
Don't you
The
like
Earth
that?
Balance
Oh,
it
to
to the earth
compare?
balance.
Yeah, go get it. Do 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 do.
And I'm back. Okay.
Yay!
So we have a used tub of earth
Okay, I
balance.
made one of these, so you could have one of these.
Okay.
We each have one.
So here's what we should do. Is we should try one of each and then see which one we think is better. So I'll have 2 breads with butters on
Okay,
them.
so close your eyes, I guess.
Well, no, I was going to have you do it.
Oh, I'm doing it? Oh,
So
okay.
here's the
So I'm closing
Miyoko's.
my eyes?
Here's the earth balance.
This is awkward.
You're going to close your eyes and I'm going to give you one and I'm not going to tell you which one I'm giving you
It's really
first.
hard not to look.
Okay. So I'm going to give you this one
Can
first.
Can I hold it myself?
Yes, there you go. Okay. Now here's the second one. Which one was better?
I think the first one.
That was the earth
Okay, now
balance.
you do it.
Okay. So I'm gonna close my eyes and double cover them.
Can I feed you, or are you
Here,
weird
just
like
give
me?
me one. Just put it in my hand.
You don't trust me.
No.
Here, go like this. It's gonna be right there.
You could have just put it in my hand.
Well, I wanted to do it so
Okay.
that the flavor was coming first. Okay, that was number 1. There's number 2. We're doing science!
Number 1 had the stronger flavor. I think it was the Miyoko's, and number 2 was lighter. I think it
No,
was Earth Balance.
number 2. Miyoko's.
So it's a lighter flavor, I think. Less buttery flavor than the Earth Balance, which is made from palm oil.
Oh, that's why we don't like Earth Balance. Trying to
Vegetable oil
remember.
from palm fruit, soybean, canola, and olive. But I think theirs is sustainably harvested. Doesn't say nothing about it being orangutan friendly.
This is soy free though, so if you
Can't have soy.
or believe you can't.
And it comes in a nice giant block.
It's very cute, really.
What we like about it also is that it doesn't come in the plastic tub,
Yes!
which we hate.
We hate that because we can't even recycle here anymore. It's psychotic.
So we'll buy this butter even though it's more expensive, just so
Yeah.
we won't have the plastic tub. And
Or
it tastes
orangutan
really
with
good.
blood on our hands. I think this was really good. I think this was the star of today's show.
So yeah, I like this cream cheese really well. I'd give this I give it 5. 5 Omar heads.
Yeah.
This one, just because it doesn't have like a strong flavor for Omar heads, this really good and I
Yeah.
think less expensive.
Mm-hmm.
I believe it's less expensive than Tofuti brand that
And
they also
then-
sell at Trader Joe's.
This,
This butter,
I give it 3 but I don't know, like it's hard to rate butter because it's not something that you're looking, it's just there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, it's butter.
just buttered bread.
I guess
Or
it's as good
plain
as any
butter.
other butter.
Yeah,
So a 5? I don't know.
Huh.
But it's not like crazy good.
So
I guess
four.
a 4. I don't know.
4. It's good.
4 because of the packaging and because of the sustainable ingredients.
Sustainability,
Yeah.
since it's made out of coconut oil and sunflower oil and cashews.
Yeah.
Right?
And cultures.
How is this cashew? That is crazy.
What do you mean?
Well, it's like smooth and melts. It's like a liquid.
Oh yeah, that's pretty weird. Good
That is
point.
bizarre. Science.
We don't understand. We're just silly vegans. Oh! We have a guest wishing to enter. So I guess it's time to wrap up. I'm all greasy.
Yeah.
Like my lips. and
My
fingers.
hands are oiled. I'm gonna rub this on my ashy skin.
I feel kind of gross.
Yeah, that was butter and cream cheese. Like and subscribe.
And share the video.
And tell us if there's a product you'd like us to try. We'll buy it and try it.
Sorry.
Mouths.
I don't know where that came from.
Unbridled rage. Okay. Thanks.
Outro.